Hey guys, it's Adi. It's been a while since I haven't done any open box, but it's because I signed up for a new one from Loot Crate, and obviously I don't know if anybody can tell from my shirt, so it's actually the Halo one. I am a huge Halo fan. I collect a lot of stuff, but I wanted to try this out. I wanted to see, maybe to see what are these things that come in this type of box, and I don't know, let's see what it comes in that, that you have to wait freaking 2 months for. You know what I mean? So anyways, this is what it comes in. Halo Legendary Crate. Yes. It did come a little bit banged up, but hopefully nothing is damaged inside. I expected the box to be a little bigger. It's not that big. It's kind of like the size of me. But let's see what they have. So we have our knife here. And let's see. I'll try to look at it. Try not to look at it. I'm always scared of this freaking knife. Okay, we're gonna leave it open. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. Okay, I feel like if there is maybe a book or a comic or a poster. Ooh. It's top secret from the UNSC. It actually comes with a legit folder. This is so cool. So far so good. So far so good. Spartan with a lot of numbers. Dang, it's literally legit. You have to literally. Sheesh. Probably went through all of this trouble just to give us this top secret eyes only. Well, I'm sorry that I'm actually sharing it to the whole world right now. Ooh. So it comes with a little poster. I'm gonna put this on my job. And it has Cortana there, as you can see. I'm gonna see if you guys can kind of see the glare here. Sorry about that. I'm using my makeup station, guys. I'm sorry. It's dark. It's night. There's Master Chief. When will you show us your face? We already seen it young, but not old. And then it comes, there's some papers in the back. Ooh. So it gives you a letter. So it tells you what's in the letter. And the reason why, wow. Reason why this is all top secret. Maybe I shouldn't have shared this with you guys. Oh well. I'm in trouble now. Alright, let's put this back in here. I'm definitely taking this poster and putting it on my job. For sure. I don't know where I'm going to put all this stuff because I'm already starting a little station, a small section that's with all my Halo stuff, but it's not even all of it. I literally have all the consoles from the first, that when I bought it when I was I think 11 or 12 years old when I first bought, dude guys, look, I have, let me just take off this iWatch. I have Master Chief's number, okay? Well, like I was saying, I have all the consoles except for the in-between 360s. I only have the third and stuff like that, blah, blah, blah. I don't have Halo 4, but it's because it was another 360 and I didn't want to have another 360. But they did say they're going to have a Halo 6, and I definitely will have another Xbox One X, whatever the case is going to be. Alright, back to the box. Another shirt. I think it better be a cool shirt. Hey! Oh, sorry guys. What? And the Warthog! Red versus blue, isn't it? Oh, red team. I guess. Oh, this is a mongoose. Sorry, my bad. Sorry guys. From over here that I'm not even looking at it, I was like, oh, Warthog. No, it's mongoose. Sorry guys. Looks cool. What size? Please be my size. Yes, extra small. Yay! I have another one. Alright, more shirts. I don't mind Halo shirts. I actually just made one too. This is actually the back of it. I had to. Alright. If it comes with a pop, that would be cool. I'm just kidding. That's not gonna happen. Even though I feel like if there's a figure. Let's start with a small box. Ah. No freaking way! Oh my god! These are... You won't believe this, guys. You won't believe this. Oh my god, this is so cool! Now I'm gonna have to go get dough. These are cookie cutters! Oh my gosh! Wait a second. Like, how would I know? Yeah, okay. I'm probably holding this thing wrong. Maybe I can see it through the screen. Okay. Well, there's cookie cutters. Oh, of course I know what this is. I think this will be the only cookie cutter I would use. Yes. And of course, the assault rifle. Pew, pew. The one that he always has. Like, everybody complains that are not Halo fans. They're like, they always give him that. So, who cares? Alright, let me just put them back in the box. It might be smart. Alright, you think it was cookie cutters that are Halo? That is so cool. Oh my god, if you guys are a Halo fan, I recommend this so far. So you can get all the collections of like anything that's from Halo, and it's actually from the 343 Industries. Alright, let's go to the next thing. This is bad. Okay, it's big. Huh. My cat's going crazy. Okay. So, let's see what this is. Is this like a backpack? Is it like a reversible backpack? Yeah, it is. Oh, nice. So you get a little messenger bag, or a little baggie of the UNSC. Nice! You put your little stuff in here, with style, and then if you don't want it to hog up so much space, you just put it right back to, and I don't know how to do it. There's gotta be a way to do, oh. Now I know how to do it. Just like that. And then, zip up the crown's nest. And it comes in this little thing. Just to let you guys know, like, it's an actual, like, legit, like, Halo stuff. Like, see. So cool. Alright. I don't want to get the big stuff. I want to get the small stuff. Let's get a small stuff. Oh, is it another poster? Dude, it's going in my wall. This is cute. Oh, there's two sides. Oh, this is the poster that... Hey. Hey. Look at that Master Chief. Look. Look at Master Chief. Isn't he sexy? Look at him, look at him, look at him. Being a badass like always. With Arbiter. Well. Yeah. I'm definitely going to use this poster. He was just telling me the things that are in here that I haven't still seen it all. So I don't want to look at it. I don't want to show you. So, yeah, I don't want to show you that. But I'm definitely going to take this to my job so I can hang this up too. Yes. Put this back in there. Nicely so it doesn't damage. So I can take it to work. Now I know I'm getting a figure. I didn't want to look at it. So, it's called a battle rifle. And look at this thing. Does it look cool? It's awesome. Is that it for the small stuff? I guess so. So we're gonna go with the last thing. Is it the last thing? Yeah, it's the last thing. So it's gonna be, oh yes, a figure of Master Chief. Yes, another Master Chief. I just bought like a Gundam Master Chief and that shit looks sick. I mean, sorry to say this, but this, I can show you guys after the video. This Gundam Master Chief, I think it looks way better than my PlayArts Halo statue. Like, weird as it says because it's PlayArts, but when I was building it, and then like after it was done, I was like, oh my god, this thing is just like amazing. And I only paid 15 bucks. Like, that's it, $15 for this thing. Just looking at the box, you would think it's like a little piece of crap, but actually it came out really good. Like, I was just, now I gotta open this. I gotta open this for you guys. It's called Halo Screenshot. Halo Icons, that's what it is. It gives you other ones too, so that you can put them together. But I don't have the other ones. I will collect anything that's Master Chief. Anything that's Master Chief. So I'm glad that they gave me a Master Chief. Come here. Let me go ahead and put him in his stand. What the heck? And he comes in the... Oh, this is so cool. Oh, this is from like what? Halo 4? Come on. Yeah, when he's about to put his shield up. Jeez. Ah. There we go. Look how cute he looks. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, he's getting attacked by needlers. Well, that is it, guys. I'm actually happy. I'm not... The only thing I don't like is that... Well, think about it. It's... You get paid... you get paid. Yeah, if you get paid every 2 months, then don't go to that job. No. You basically get, like, billed every 2 months. So if you think about it, you split the payment is literally like 20 bucks a month. So yeah, you're paying $40, but they charge you every 2 months, so you don't see it as bad. But they give you like actual products from the 343 and, you know, the actual stuff of Halo. It's not like replicas or stuff from like made somewhere else. So I mean, if you guys are a huge Halo fan, I recommend it. If you guys just want to collect things, and to be honest, most of these things will be sold under Loot Crate edition. So I don't know. He's actually metal, like not well. It's like a hard plastic, but it's a good plastic, and he's gonna be right next to all my other Master Chiefs, which I have other Master Chiefs at my job. So like I said, I have like scattered things, but one day I will have like everything all together of all my Halo stuff. But for now, I don't have them all together because I have them scattered from like lanyards, from shirts, from comic books, from novels, from controllers, from systems. I would love to have a house that I just like have everything all together and have all the systems nicely aligned. But yeah, like my dream, like, you guys know me, I'm a cosplayer. My #1 goal cosplay is actually having my own Spartan suit. And if you guys know anybody that's located in Texas that actually will do it, or for my size, let me know. I am probably going to start doing myself, but like I said, that's a big project, but that's like my dream cosplay. So if you like this, like and subscribe. If you think I should just keep going with this Halo opening boxes, because if you guys want to keep knowing what comes in them, let me know, so I can just keep updating you guys on this box, which comes like every 2 months. So yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more, and yeah, just subscribe to my channel, okay? Bye. Alright, so I have kind of like my Master Chiefs kind of scattered right now. Well, not scattered, like kind of like together, because they're in like the small little corner of this shelf of like Mad Pops. But like I said, that's just for now. But this is the Gundam I was talking about, and that is the play art statue. And if you could see, like, this Gundam, it's plastic, you know? And look at this detail. Look at this beauty. And of course, the Master Chief controller. You have to have a helmet. You have to have the helmet. I have a small figure back there as well. And then I have the play arts too. I do have another ones at my job too. But yeah, this is just a little, I just wanted to show you guys the Gundam that I was talking about. And this thing just looks phenomenal. Like, whoever, like, basically created it, not put it together, because that was me. But whoever, like, had this idea of, like, doing this, smart. Badass. Oh my gosh. So yeah, and I'll show you guys, if anything, I will go ahead and give you the video of like all my other stuff of Halo. I put it all together. It was about like a year ago or two. I do need to do an update, but I can just show you that if you guys are